Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix no sound during calls issue on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, we're gonna have to check the call sound, but only the call sound, and we can do this using the side buttons, the volume buttons on the smartphone. To check the call sound exclusively, we have to tap on this volume bar and then tap the three dots bubble beneath it, and then locate the bar with the phone icon in it. Now currently I don't have such on my phone because I'm not calling anyone and nobody is calling me, but when you are in a call, you will see the specific volume bar for your call, and try to increase volume in it specifically. Next, to rule out some possible issues with Bluetooth devices, disable your Bluetooth in the control center so that you know that your sound doesn't get rerouted to your Bluetooth device. And also try cleaning the earpiece of your smartphone using a soft brush, and never use any metallic tools for it. Your earpiece is located right here above your display, so yeah, it's kind of small and there is a limited access to it, but limited access to it, but it would be it's a great idea to clean it sometimes, but only use a soft brush, or you can also use a microfiber cloth, though it will simply not reach as deeply as the soft brush. Also try checking your sound volume using the other calling apps, for example WhatsApp or Messenger, and you can also access settings on your device, go to sound and vibration, and check specific sound effect settings. Try to in sound effect settings select your current device that you are using, and you can try to adjust the sound mode by selecting one of the presented ones. By default, the smart one is enabled, and it usually works well, but sometimes it might be dysfunctional in some way. And also disable holo audio for a while to check the volume. Besides, try to restart your phone. To do that, just press power button and volume up keys and swipe the circle up to restart. And as a last resort to outrule any network related issues, we can also reset network settings. However, this will also affect your Bluetooth connections and your Wi-Fi connection, but you can do this by going to System and Update, Backup and Reset, Reset Phone, then Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, and confirm. And after doing so, try checking your sound volume once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.